We're preparing lunch. Ano tayo? Soup, cauliflower with shrimp, tilapia. So here's our temporary home for 11 days. Start. Na-prepare na natin ang ating ingredients for lunch. So we have cauliflower, carrots, chicharon, bawang, chicken, macaroni. So dito natin luluto yung ating macaroni soup. Diyan yung gulay. And our repolyo. Ayan. So magkukook na tayo here at Park McKinley West. Yeah. This is our home for the weekend. So we're gonna cook our lunch. Ito yung sibuyas, bawang, and our chicken wings for our macaroni. So ang aming oil, coconut namin namuo sa lamig. Mamshi, nagisa na natin ang ating cauliflower with shrimp. Sunod natin ang chicharon and our carrots. Our chicken, nag-boil na.
Ayun. Hinila ko lang.
Our boiled egg. For our macaroni and our vegetable. Cover for the eggs. Meron din pala yun. For faster cooking, cover your caldero. Yan natin yung macaroni sa ating with the chicken. Percent shrimp, kaya hindi tayo sure kung malasa siya. Walang fresh din. We just ordered it from marketplace. Yan, kumukulo na ang ating sopas. Lagay natin yung milk and our repolyo. Natin yung ating vegetable. Yan. So yung ating tilapia, we will just sa oven para hindi mag-smell. Bawal yata mag-smell dito. Yan, malapit na maluto ang ating lunch. Maluto na ang ating macaroni soup. And our vegetable, shrimp, cauliflower. Tapos we have leftover chicken from 24 chicken last night. That's our lunch. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.